I'm Richela Fabian Morgan. In this video, you'll see how I made this gold glitter tape bird mask. It might look difficult to make, but I started with a base mask using this template. Let's get started. For the base of the mask, I make a double-sided duct tape fabric. It doesn't matter what color tape I use because the base will eventually be covered with feathers. It's difficult to write on duct tape, but grease pencils, also known as China markers, do the trick. When I make masks, I often forget to trace the eyes, but I remembered here, thank goodness. After wiping oil on my scissor blades, I cut out the base of the mask from the fabric. For the eyes, I use a craft knife. I fold the base in half and cut slits near the outer edges for the elastic band. The elastic band I use is 1/4 inch wide and approximately 16 inches long. I push an end through one of the slits in the base and fold over a 1-inch tail. Then I secure it with duct tape. On the front and the back. Once I'm done with one end, I do the other. The base is now complete. It's time to decorate it. I decide to make the feathers out of gold glitter tape, but first I need to make a fabric. Gold glitter tape on one side and pretty much any color on the other. On the non-glitter side, I draw long feathers and make them different sizes. Using my detail scissors, I cut out the feathers. I also make sure that the number of feathers for each side is the same. I don't want a lopsided mask. Using small pieces of tape, I attach each feather to the base. You will also notice that I cut into the bottom of each feather to give them legs. Before attaching the feather, I cross the legs, which makes the feather curve inward. To fill in the smaller areas of the base, I cut out 1/2 inch feathers directly from the glitter tape. Glitter tape is stiffer than regular duct tape, so it's easier to cut and lift the feathers off the mat. I won't lie, this part is a bit labor intensive, but if you're like me and love all things duct tape, it's a labor of love. My mask is now complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy Halloween, and thanks for watching.